Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a T15 Torx screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Start by unplugging your Dyson SV10 and placing it on a flat surface. Next, locate the screws on the back of the vacuum. Using the T15 Torx screwdriver, carefully remove the two screws. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the back cover away from the main body of the vacuum. Now you will see the battery compartment. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to clean any dust or debris inside the compartment using the soft cloth. This will ensure a better connection for the new battery. To remove the old battery, locate the release tab and gently press it while pulling the battery out. If you find this process challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert help if needed. Once the old battery is removed, take your new compatible battery and align it with the connectors in the compartment. Push it in firmly until you hear a click, indicating it is securely in place. After the new battery is installed, it's time to reattach the back cover. Align it properly and press it down until it clicks into place. Then, take your T15 Torx screwdriver and replace the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened securely. If you encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to reach out. We provide collection and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your vacuum serviced without any hassle. No calls, no travel, just a simple solution at your convenience. Once the screws are tightened, give your Dyson SV10 a quick wipe down to remove any fingerprints or dust. It's always good to keep your appliance looking its best. Finally, plug in your vacuum and turn it on to test the new battery. If everything is working correctly, you're all set to enjoy a powerful clean once again. If you need a quote before repair or further assistance, feel free to contact us. We're here to help you with all your Dyson needs. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.